Hello everybody to the unboxing of the Helle Sigmund. I got it in today, so I was wondering what was inside. So let's have a look. I'll take a knife, open it up. I got this from Knives and Tools. Alright, so as you can see, it comes with a lot of paper and stuff. I got a little, well, some information from Knives and Tools about what they sell. I think the transport. So it comes in this box. It's a pretty big one actually, and it opens up pretty nice. It's got a little book from Helle, from Norway, about maintenance and stuff, and about the company. Nice details. And boop, yep, there it is. It comes with a sheath or a cloth, I must say. And there's the knife. Comes in a beautiful sheath. Hope you can see that. Let's see if we can take it out. Yeah, very nice. Very nice knife. It is made from the laminated stainless steel from Helle, and the handle is made out of birchwood, oak and leather, and they stacked it. Of course, it's a stick thing, so it comes out at the end, and that's where they close it up. And the blade is nicely polished, and I assume razor sharp. Let's just try that. Wow. Okay. Yeah. No problems there. So it comes razor sharp out of the box, and it looks beautiful. It says Helle Sigmund, Norway on this side. It's a 3mm thick blade. The handle is nicely formed to the shape of a hand with a bit of a swelling. It's got a nice grip. Now I got reasonable big hands, and as you can see, my hands fit nicely on the handle. I believe I will give you some specifications of the knife. It's 102 grams in total. The blade is 11 centimeters or 4.3 inches, 3mm thick or 0.12 inches. And the blade is 2.3 centimeters high or 0.91 inches. The total length of the knife is 8.8 inches or 22 centimeters in general. And it's got a pretty steep angle of about 24 degrees in total for the sharpening, for those who are interested in that. So I think it is a beautiful knife, and I will enjoy using this. My next video will be comparison with the Helle Viking, which I think falls in the sort of like the same category knife. So if you're interested in this blade length and the shape of this blade, then the Helle Viking or the Helle Gaup are very close, are very similar blades. Of course, this is a carbon steel blade laminated, this is stainless steel, so there are plenty of differences, but it's a beautiful knife. And for size comparison, the Opinel number 8. Alright, the sheath, very nice. It's leather, it's got a belt loop thingy that is fixed. I can't move it, no, I can't move it. Alright, it's got a plasticky insert, or at least most of these knives do. This one does not. Okay, so be careful putting the knife in, and it's very secure. I can honestly say that it won't come out. So yeah, that's really secure. Alright, the Helle Sigmund. Thanks for watching, and hopefully see you next time. Bye bye.